Just got done putting on my carbon fiber doors. I'm about to disconnect my battery real quick. Subwoofer, ice tank, we're chilling. This is my carbon fiber trunk with the small ducktail. Sexy, it's dirty. It's been sitting out here since I installed it. So my stock one. Here's the carbon fiber door. Very clean. We put it on. We gotta do some final adjustments on it. It's not a hard install, but you are gonna need a buddy to help you put the door back on to do the adjustments. But you might have to take off the fender, and I'm gonna have to do that when I get back from work to tighten up these bolts for the final adjustment. This part that goes, this trim that goes right here, I think I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm going to have to cut it from here. Let me get my focus right. It ain't trying to focus for me. Focus for me. Where you focusing at, girl? Where your focus at? Hey, it ain't trying to focus. From here, and a little bit of this tab right here, this little trim piece right here, there it is. I might have to cut it down because it's not going right on this part here. This part is too raised up right here, so I'm just gonna cut it off that trim. It should sit down, and that way it lines up with this hole, and I can put that screw plate back on there. No biggie. Other than that, that's what the inside of the door looks like. I got the weather stripping and all this stuff back on there, the wires and everything. I'm doing a speaker upgrade as well, so I haven't put those back in there. This little doohickey stopped working on me for some reason, but this also goes on the door, and this what gives it the kind of like midway full open type of deal. So I gotta figure out what's that thing's issue. But other than that, it's a done deal. Gotta find it a little bit, and then whatever. But like I said, I gotta take out the fender. I've got fenders, so once I take off these fenders, I can do the final adjustments, and then put my new fenders on. Then it'll be done to go. Be good to go. But yep, that's my baby. Getting her ready. I got a carbon fiber hood in the house, carbon fiber trunk, other carbon fiber door. I got the carbon fiber rooftop coming. So she's going to be good. And then I got my engine getting built, so gonna be good and ready to rock and roll. Hopefully by the end of this year. So that's it. I didn't weigh it. I probably weigh the other door when I take it off, but these doors are extremely light. It's a night and day difference, and I'm not even talking about even with the glass in there. It wouldn't even matter. It's a night and day difference. I don't even think I can slam that door like I could the heavier door. It's a night and day difference. Like that door, the stock door is at least 65 pounds, and that's without the stuff in it. I picked it up. It was heavy. With the stuff in it. It's still heavy without the stuff in it, and it feels the same. So, because you're just talking about glass. The glass on these cars are small anyway, so they're not even heavy. Probably maybe like 7 pounds worth of glass, but this thing right here alone is at least 65 pounds steel or whatever it's made out of. But I digress. She's getting done. I'm gonna do the other door when I get back from town, get that done and over with, and finish this side up. I might order some black mirrors. I want some black mirrors and black door handles. So I don't want to get these wrapped. I just want them black, or paint them, whatever. But if I find some nice cheap ones, I'll just get them. But gee gosh, the thing looks good. That thing looks fabulous. like it. I like it. I like it a lot.